ratchet handle screwdriver set made by Högert Technik. Perfect for hobbyists, handymen and professionals. The set comes in a convenient carrying case secured by a latch. All the components of the set are neatly organized. A picture located on the inside of the upper part of the case helps with identifying a required bit. The core of the handle is a robust ratchet handle. A rubberized grip makes work more secure and comfortable. A 72-tooth ratchet mechanism allows for very precise screwing. Rotation can be changed using a clip located at the upper part of the tool. The set consists of 3 different lengths of bits: 30, 75 and 120 mm. 30 mm bits come in the following types: 2 Phillips, 8 Torx, 5M, 6 hex. 75 mm bits are 7 Torx with a borehole and 5 hex. You also get 3 120 mm Torx with a borehole bits. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.